This ride's going to be real quick. This here is the main elevator at Wonders of Wildlife Aquarium here in Springfield, Missouri. We're only going to do a single round trip today, so this will be on the shorts playlist. Oh, wrong button. Door closed does not work. Here we are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. You guys coming down?
Yeah, thank you.
I saw you coming. I almost let the door close.
You want to go see fish? Or are you ready to go bye-bye? What do you think? Should we see some fish? Or go bye-bye?
We should go look at the store. There's a park up that way. We can walk by the things.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll see the fish again in a couple weeks because we saw it last week.
Did you all enjoy the museum? Awesome. Let's check out those photos from the green screen.
There it goes. That's it.